Welcome this video. Maximum probability. Home office idea for smart room. Introducing us the world continues to operate remoting work mean of us find ourselves in need of a dedicated house office space. However, not only have the luxury of a spaceship room to transform it into a house office if your work with a limited area affair, not with some creative and thoughtful plans. You can create an efficient and productive house office even in the smart of room. We export it home office idea tiles to smart space that will help you make the more of your work environment. Personalize your workspace even in a smart home often it accessory to infuse your personalized and style. Decorate your workspace with artwork, plants, or other personally image. Then those inspire and promoting you. A touch of personalization can make your smart office feel welcome and both your creative. Lights add color. The right choice of color and lights can significantly impact, impact the productive size of your home office. Other of right natural color with white blown glass or soft pasting to make the room appearing more spacious and area additionally. Ensure your workspace is well lit with adjustability tasks, lights to reading eyes cat during long work hour. Vertical storage when work with limited floor space. It come to make the most of your vertical space. Install well moment shaped outfall shape about your deep to store book and decorate in image. Vertical space help keep your work area common free and maximum your room fantastically. Choose the right location before you start rearing furniture and add often element. Careful consider the location of your house often within your smart room. Your well to price will need a window and maximum natural light. A well space can enhance your product and mood. Addition try to choose a spot with maximum to help your soft or work hard. Conclusion work for home in a smart room do not mean you have to security product or static by careful select the right location. Ambience maximum choose space safe furniture. Vertical space other lights and color. Personally your space workspace main club and smart storage storage. You can create a work office, home office, then maximum both fantastically and style. Remember the remember then the key to a successful house office in a smart space is thoughtful pens and original with those home office idea you can transform even the room in to product and